Hello everyone, this is Sudhir and welcome to my class. In this video, you are going to learn how to draw tangents to the given circle. In this problem, they have given 6 cm radius. So, first of all, we should draw the one rough figure and do tangents. So, O is the center of the circle and this is the point like OP. So, OP is given here 10 centimeters. So for this we should draw the two tangents. So this is completely a rough figure. So the radius is 6 centimeters, so that the compass, with the compass I am taking here 6 centimeters. Now I am going to take the center of a circle as O. Now the needle of the compass just I am taking at point O, that means the center O. Now already I have taken with the compass it is 6 cm radius, so that I am drawing with the compass now the circle with the 6 cm radius. Now in the problem they gave the point P we should take, that is outside of a circle, such that OP is equal to 10 centimeters. So this is given in the problem. So you can observe here from a point 10 centimeters from its center they have given, so that I am going to draw a line with 10 centimeter. Now I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector of the line OP, that is a line with 10 centimeter. So how to draw that? By taking more than half of OP, that means more than half of 10 centimeter. So we should draw arcs on either side of OP. Now I should join the intersecting point with a line, and that intersecting point I have taken as M. Now with the compass, M as the center, MO as the radius, now I should draw a circle. Now I am taking the intersecting point of the two circles as A and B. Now I should join from A to P and B to P also. Now these two are the tangents to the circle. Now here OA is the radius and OB also is the radius, and we should mark a right angle symbol, because tangent and radius makes right angle at the point of contact. Here the point of contact as A and B, so we have a right angle at A and B. So here radius is 6 centimeters and OP is the 10 centimeters. Okay. Now actually we should measure the length of AP, that means the tangent. So you can observe here it has 8 centimeters, that is AP is equal to 8 centimeter, which is tangent it is. And similarly we should measure the other side also, that is BP. Now you can check BP. So this one also yes, it is 8 centimeters. So AP and BP are equal to 8 centimeters. Now here is the steps of constructions. So once again you can read and you can note down these all steps of constructions. Now we should verify the problem with the Pythagoras theorem. So actually if you observe in the figure, you have a right triangle, that means we should use the Pythagoras theorem. And we know very well in the Pythagoras theorem the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that I have used that formula. Now the final answer is AP is equal to 8 root 64, mean that is 8. So the length of the tangent is equal to 8 centimeters. This is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.